Fortray is a world-class IT training, recruitment, and solutions company. We offer guaranteed jobs after training, or we will refund your 100% money. Every year, we place hundreds of candidates by gaining industry-accredited and globally recognized certifications from world-leading bodies such as Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many more, without prior knowledge or experience. The expert instructor-led online Cloud Architect program is the most convenient and cost-effective way to kickstart your career in the world of cloud computing, suited to anyone without compromising your existing lifestyle. The program covers cloud platforms such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. It includes the most potent analytical modules such as AZ104, AZ303, AZ304, AWS Solution Architect, AWS SysOps, and AWS Developer Associate, along with 20+ real-life industry-based projects. These programs will get the students guaranteed entry-level jobs as cloud administrators with a salary of up to $40K in just 3 to 6 months. This program will fast-track your career towards cloud engineer, cloud architect, where the average salary is up to £85,000. Our expert recruitment team works solely with our graduates on a one-to-one basis to secure the desired job. Having partnered with client companies across the UK and globally, we secure a position that helps you thrive in the industry. We go above and beyond to ensure you are swiftly placed in the desired role. Our unique job guarantee, money-back program gives you confidence that the Cloud Architect is the way to kickstart your IT career. Switch your career with Fortray today. Call us at 207-993-4928 or visit us at www.fortray.com.